guys, about the wind. It's windy out here today. It's your boy RDP Outdoors. I'm out here at the property. I got one feeder that I know is completely empty, so I'm gonna go fill it up, and then I'm gonna cross the street to the other property, check on our raccoon traps, rebait those, and check on the feeders over there, man. And hell, I'm gonna take y'all with me, man. Hope y'all having a blessed Friday. I'll see y'all here in a second. Hey guys, so we got us one raccoon in this trap. I seen one on the way in. I'm gonna go ahead and take care of these. I don't know too much about the policies of YouTube so much yet, so I don't know if it's frowned upon to show this. But I'm gonna get this taken care of, rebait the traps, and then we'll keep it moving. All right guys, so we are refilling feeders and checking our raccoon traps. It's a good sign when you see buzzards close to it. You know you got something caught up, so let's go out here and see what we got. Yes sir, the old trap did its job. That's first two traps. We still got two more to check. I'm gonna get this guy taken care of, fill up the feeders, and then head on to the next trap. All right people, so we were able to get 3 feeders filled up. There's one in the far northeast of the property that I couldn't access today. You know, the other day we were out here, we noticed that there were some trees that were about to fall, and sure enough, when I come out here today, one of those trees had fallen and blocked my route out there. There was another route around, but it's through some water, and we got a lot of rain last night. I didn't want to take the side-by-side through that water because I didn't know exactly how deep it was going to be. But there's some traps back there I need to check, and you know, what I'll do is I'll come out here with the chainsaw, get that tree out of the way, and get back there, get that feeder refilled, and any raccoons we have on trap back there, we'll get that squared away. But today, yeah, man, so 3 feeders. I got one more to check that I'm gonna top off with the rest of the corn I got. And we got 2 raccoons, so, you know, all in all, it's a good day. So now I'm about to go and meet up with some of my brothers up in Belleville, because we will be at the knife show tomorrow. We'll have a table set up there for the foraging show and that whole deal, man. And thank you guys, man, for sticking with me through this video. I know it gets kind of boring, but this is what I do, and I want to share it with you guys, and you know, maybe make friends with some like-minded people, man. I'm out here in Columbus right now, but I live in Katy, and I have some property down in South Texas, man. So if you're in any of those areas and you want to get out to hunt, you want to get out to fish, anything in the outdoors, man, you need some help doing something, I'm a disabled veteran, so I'd be glad to help you and maybe get some more guys out. Other than that, man, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys sooner than later. Peace.